Everyone thinks the best-selling bike rear-view cameras are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, FVISIKE Handlebar Bike Mirror. First up is the FVISIKE Handlebar Bike Mirror. Priced at $44.99, this product caught my attention with its impressive 4.3-inch HD screen and night vision functionality. If you want to enhance your safety while cycling, this is worth a serious look. This bike mirror makes it effortless to monitor what's behind you. Plus, the real-time updates on the monitor mean you can enjoy your ride without constantly looking back. The installation is tool-free and designed for stability, which is a must for bumpy rides. And let's not forget the night vision feature, which ensures you can ride safely even in low-light conditions. With over 2,900 reviews averaging 4.2 stars, it's clear that many riders appreciate its performance. Now, some users did mention that they faced issues with the connection leading to a blue screen. Here's the thing though, as long as you double-check your connections, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. The positives far outweigh this minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install camera that provides real-time visibility. Skip this one if you prefer a more advanced system with additional features. For the price, it offers solid value for safety on your bike. Now, if you found the installation of the FVISIKE a bit basic, the next option takes a completely different approach with a more advanced radar system. Product number 2, Garmin Varia RTL 515. Next up is the Garmin Varia RTL 515, priced at $149.99. This rearview radar comes with a tail light and has a sleek design that caught my eye. If you want to stay aware of approaching vehicles while cycling, this is definitely worth considering. This feature is a game changer for cyclists who ride in traffic. When paired with your smartphone or compatible Garmin devices, you can receive real-time updates and alerts. It not only keeps you safe but also enhances your riding experience by integrating with mapping apps. Plus, its battery life can last up to 16 hours in daylight mode, which is perfect for long rides. However, some users report that the integration with their devices can sometimes be finicky, leading to occasional connectivity issues. But honestly, if you're someone who prioritizes safety over a few setup frustrations, this product is still a top contender. This is perfect for you if you often ride in busy traffic and want an extra layer of safety. Skip this if you prefer a simpler setup without the need for smartphone integration. For the features it offers, I think it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a straightforward rear camera solution. Product number 3, Wanksky Bike Camera. Coming in third is the Wanksky Bike Camera, which is priced at $69.99. What attracted me to this camera is its rechargeable battery and 360 degrees rotation feature. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install camera for your bike, this is definitely worth a look. This system delivers stable 1080p images, giving you a clear view of what's behind you. The color night vision is particularly impressive, allowing you to see as if it was daytime even at night. With a wide 130 degrees field of view and an easy installation process, you won't need any tools to set it up. The waterproof design is perfect for any weather conditions, making it a solid choice for year-round cyclists. Plus, it has accumulated over 535 reviews with a 4.4-star rating, showing that it's well-received by users. Now, one downside is that some users felt the installation instructions were a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's quite straightforward. So if you're patient with a quick setup, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a high-definition rear camera that's easy to install. Skip this one if you prefer more advanced integration features. It offers good value for anyone looking to enhance their ride safety. Moving on, if you're looking for something with a larger display, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Fitness Bike Camera. Fourth on the list is the Fitness Bike Camera, which is available for $46.97. This camera stands out with its 5-inch HD display and impressive battery life. If you want a bigger screen to enhance your visibility while riding, this could be the right fit for you. The display auto-adjusts to lighting conditions, which is a thoughtful feature for those who ride at different times of the day. With a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can expect around 10-12 hours of use after a full charge. Plus, it's rated IP67 waterproof, so you won't have to worry about rain affecting its performance. With a solid 4.2-star rating from 255 reviews, it's clear that many riders appreciate its reliability. However, some users mention that it doesn't support recording functions, which can be a letdown for those looking for more features. But honestly, if you just need a reliable rear view while riding, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a larger display and don't need video recording. Skip this if you're looking for a camera that captures footage. Considering its features, it's a good value for its price. Finally, the last product on our list offers a unique combination of functionality and safety. Product number 5, FVISIKE Bike Camera. Last but not least, we have the FVISIKE Bike Camera priced at $55.99. What impressed me about this model is its dual functionality as a cyclocomputer and rear-view camera. If you're looking for a multifunctional device to keep track of your stats while cycling, this one is worth checking out. The built-in cyclocomputer displays your speed, distance, and time, making it perfect for cyclists who want to monitor their performance. With its easy installation and adjustable bracket, it's designed to fit a variety of handlebars. Plus, the unit has a solid 4.2-star rating based on 2,900 reviews, indicating a strong user satisfaction. Some users have reported that the screen can be a bit tricky to read in bright sunlight. Here's the thing, if you're often riding during the day, you might want to consider positioning the screen carefully. It's a minor flaw that can be worked around. This is perfect for you if you want both a rear-view camera and a cyclocomputer in one device. Skip this one if you prefer a simple rear-view camera without additional features. For what it offers, it's a great value. Alright, to wrap things up, all 5 options cater to different needs and preferences, from basic safety to advanced functionality. So there you have it. The FVISIKE handlebar bike mirror is great if you want a straightforward and affordable option, while the Garmin Varia RTL 515 provides advanced safety features. The Wanksy bike camera offers a reliable setup, and the Phytons bike camera gives you a large display for better visibility. Finally, the FVISIKE bike camera combines a rear-view camera with a cyclocomputer for added utility. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that fits your cycling style best.